In this unbelievably quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your ride history in the Uber app. First things first, pull up the Uber app, of course. Next, I'm going to click Activity down at the bottom. Once I do, this is going to pop up. First thing you're going to see upcoming. So let's say if you have any scheduled rides, maybe a Uber Eats order, which we'll talk about in a second. That's going to appear at the top. And then you can see past. So right now I can see my most recent thing I've done. And by thing, I mean Uber groups, both Uber, as in Uber rides, and also Uber Eats together. So last thing for me that I ordered or did was fried totality, loaded fries. They were great, by the way, gotta say. That was the last thing I've done with Uber, rides and Uber Eats together. Then when I scroll up or keep scrolling down, you can see this now, that on the left-hand side, if it's a picture of food, that's typically going to be Uber Eats. And then when it's a car, as you can see, that is going to be regular Ubers. I will also say as well, for privacy reasons, I have blacked out, let's say, a couple of the rides, as they were my friends' addresses or my address. And in addition, let's say I want to see more information. Let's say I want to see more information, more nitty-gritty about a given ride or Uber Eats order that I did. I'm going to click one. So let's say I click the ride when I was at the Denver airport, and I was actually going to a concert at Red Rocks. It was actually an artist named Tipper. It was his last show ever. And when I click it, you can see this. I can see up at the top the exact route that we took. So it tracks the entire GPS coordinates, so to speak, of your exact route. I can also see the exact pickup and drop-off location, the timing of everything, and a lot more. Two things I do want to mention before I conclude this video. One, like I showed you, remember it does group Uber Eats and Uber orders together, so pick and choose the main one that you want accordingly. The second thing is this is also a very easy way to, like, say, fight a charge or dispute something. Like, say you did a ride, and after doing that ride, you're like, you know what? I feel like it took too long. Like, something about it just didn't seem right. I felt like the driver took me on a very circuitous route just to make more money. Well, what you can do is not only go in, see the pickup and drop-off location and the price, like I just showed you, but also you can see the GPS route. And this is a very easy way, like say in that one particular example or many others, to go to the ride, scroll down and click, hey, I want to dispute this, or I want to report something, or any kind of fraudulent activity that happens. This is a good way to report it when it comes to that ride or that Uber Eats order.